What's up guys, welcome back to MixedSid channel where we do cocktails. As you can see guys, we're finally outside. So I think it's been a long time since May really. But here we are. So in today's cocktail guys is Miami, and I will show you how to make a Miami cocktail. So it's 3 ingredients. It's Creme De Menthe, white rum and fresh lemon juice. That's it, it's easy as that. Alright, the first thing you want to do guys now is put some ice into your shaker like this. About 6 ice cubes. And then pour in your first ingredient, which is 2 ounces of rum, which is 60 ml. Next ingredient to the shaker guys is 1.5 ounce or 45 ml of Creme De Menthe. Nice green colour. And finally now add a dash of lemon juice. I say fresh lemon juice just to be precise. I say a dash which is about 5 ml. Put your lid on. Like that. I try to give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chilled. Right, get your martini glass and straight into it. Beautiful. And the final thing you want to do now guys is garnish it with 2 mint leaves. There we go. 1 Miami. There we go boys and girls. 1 Miami. How does it taste? Tastes like Christmas. So I'll pick up where you have a Creme De Menthe cocktail like this with the mint. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. It's quite an interesting test where rubbing Creme De Menthe and them in rum together. It's a really refreshing one. I say it's not my favourite cocktail in the world, but that is the Miami cocktail. I say that is the video, but that's Miami cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So mix it for more cocktails like this. As I will see you for the next cocktail video, which will be Atlantic. And I will see you then. Cheers. How does it taste? Ugh. Vile. There's only one thing to do with this. Yeah.